This is how you delete a focus mode on iOS 26. Just so we're all on the same page, a focus mode is a group of settings that you can quickly apply on your phone just by dragging down from the top right to get to the control center. This is the focus mode menu panel. You can have as many focus modes as you want. By default, there's Do Not Disturb, which silences all notifications. Work and sleep, I believe, are also defaults that come with the phone. Personal is one I made myself. Recording I made myself. And driving, I think, is also a default one. Now, there's lots of different settings you can set with each one, and you just tap on them to turn them on. Now I'm on the sleep focus mode, and we see a bed up here that denotes sleep is the focus mode. I just want to choose a different example so you can see something else. The recording focus mode, we see the background changes to a different background. It can be whatever you want. And like I said, there's lots of different settings that can be adjusted by choosing focus modes. So if you wanted to turn it off rather than delete it, just choose a different focus mode. If you do want to delete it completely, you go into the settings and you back out all the way to the main settings panel and you scroll down until you find focus. Tap on that to open it. And here we see those same focus modes reflected. You can tap into any one of these to set the settings for that focus mode. And if you scroll to the very bottom, there's a delete focus option. I don't want to delete this focus because I like it and I use it, but you can tap on delete and you can delete as many as you want and then recreate them or just have no focus modes at all. Completely up to you. And if you find that your phone has been a little slower than usual lately, you're not alone, and this happens quite a lot. There could be malware or a virus on your phone causing it to slow. This video will help you find any viruses and malware and also delete them. So make sure you watch that video next. If you got value from watching this current video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this next one.